Hi everyone, compliment of the season. I remain Adiola Sanusi and you are welcome to our YouTube channel at Excelums Realty. Today we are going to be sharing the topic flipping. Now, what does flipping mean? Today is basically going to be all about this topic called flipping. But before then, now you know it is the season of love, is the season of celebration, and due to this, at Excelums Realty, we are offering you huge Christmas discount courtesy of Excelums Realty on any of our off-plan properties that you decide to subscribe into. So be it the Peridot, which is our off-plan property at Lekki Phase 1, where we have 2 and 3 bedroom apartments, we are giving you huge discount right now. Or if you decide to buy Montego Bay at Ikate or Montego Gardens at Abramade Sonya or any other off-plan project that we have currently, you're definitely going to be getting a huge Christmas discount. So what exactly are you waiting for? Come and inspect these properties, then we can get you a very good deal on them. Thank you very much. So back to the topic, flipping. What is flipping? Flipping basically means or is a strategy where an investor buys a particular asset to resell later in the future. And most of the time, it's usually a short term investment strategy. Now, bringing that into the real estate market or in the real estate space, when you're talking about property flipping, so flipping is when an investor or a buyer decides to buy a property and upgrade it and afterwards resell. So it's usually a short-term investment strategy. And we see this happen a lot in the US, which is something we are sure can also happen in Nigeria or happens in Nigeria, but in a slightly different manner. So what we see most of the time that most of my clients, for example, that they do is to buy properties, off-plan properties. So they invest into off-plan properties and by upon completion of these off-plan properties, they now sell at a way higher value. So remember, when you're talking about off-plan properties, number one, it gives you that flexibility. You understand? So for example, at the Peridot, we have 3 bedroom apartments selling for 105 million, but at discount right now, we are selling for 95 million. You can key into this project with minimum of 30 million naira. With 30 million, then you can spread payment for as long as about 10 months or 12 months, as the case may be. So you can see that with that particular plan, you have the opportunity to key into an off-plan project and you have the flexibility of paying, in installment upon completion of the project. By the time this project is completed, now with the current trend in the market, now right now in Ikate, 2 bedroom apartments are selling for 100 million minimum. Our Lekki Phase 1 2 bedroom apartments are selling on average for 150 million right now. Now, this is a project in off Freedom Way, Lekki Phase 1, and we have 3 bedroom apartments currently on discount for 95 million. Now, one way you can flip this particular project is to key in with minimum of 30 million and you can spread payment. You understand? By the time this project is completed, you will be able to resell for nothing less than 150 million. Now you can imagine the huge discount that you're getting and the huge investment opportunity that you can derive from this. So basically, that's what we mean by flipping. Flipping is essentially buying a property, upgrading it, and reselling at the end of the day. If you don't want to do this by yourself, then I advise you buy an off-plan property. We have so many off-plan investments that you can decide to, jump into. So you buy an off-plan property. As you buy the off-plan property, by the time it is totally completed, then you can resell and you can make huge returns on investment. So for example, the Peridot, a 3 bedroom currently selling for 95 million, but upon completion, you can sell for as high as 150 million naira. That is way over 50% return on investment in less than 7 months, because we're going to be delivering this project by June 2024. So you can see how you can make nothing less than 50 to 60 million in just 6 to 7 months of investment. That is definitely awesome. And these are the kind of things that some of my clients do. So they buy multiple units. So they can use some for flipping purpose. They can use some for maybe resale, rather maybe shortlet and rental purpose. You understand? So it depends on how you want to diversify your real estate portfolio. Then whichever way it is, it actually works well in this particular manner. I hope you find this video very helpful. Ensure you like, share, and subscribe so you do not miss any of our weekly educative content. Thank you very much for your time once again. Compliment of the season. We definitely hope to hear from you soon. Dial the number on your screen, and I can't wait to hear from you. Thank you. Cheers.